In just a few minutes, I'll help you reset and find calm. Making meditation a daily habit is a game changer for living a better, stress-free life. Let's begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. You don't need to worry about doing this perfectly. It's not about perfection. Just allow yourself a few minutes to simply be. Once you're settled, close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Feeling the air fill your lungs. Hold it for just a few moments and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do this together 3 times. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, hold, and exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale. Now bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breathing. Don't try to control it, just notice it. Feel the cool air entering your body as you inhale, and the warmth as you exhale. Let your breath anchor you to the present moment. As you continue to breathe, start to release any tension you may be holding in your body. Begin with your forehead. Let it soften. Relax your eyebrows, your eyes, your cheeks, and let your tongue rest comfortably in your mouth. Move down to your shoulders. Imagine them dropping away from your ears, releasing any tightness. Feel your arms grow heavier, your hands resting gently in your lap or by your sides. Now focus on your chest. With each breath, feel it rise and fall as you breathe in. Let go of any tightness here. Let the rhythm of your breath calm your heart. Now focus on your stomach. Breathe deeply into it, feeling it rise and fall. If there's any tension or discomfort, allow it to melt away with each exhale. Next, turn your attention to your legs. Let them relax, sinking into the ground beneath you. Feel the support of the earth as if it's holding you up, steady and strong. For the next few moments, let your breath be the only thing that matters. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Simply acknowledge the thoughts and gently bring your focus back to your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now visualize a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or somewhere completely imaginary. Picture yourself there, feeling calm and safe. The sun is warm, and a gentle breeze is blowing. You're at peace. Spend a few moments here, simply enjoying the stillness. Let this be your sanctuary, a place you can return to anytime you need a break. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel any remaining stress or tension leave your body. You are here, you are present, and you are enough. When you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, maybe stretch a little. Slowly, when you're comfortable, open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time for you, and thank you for joining me. I hope you feel a little lighter, a little calmer, and ready for whatever comes next. Share it with someone you care about. They might need this reset as much as you did. And let me know in the comments where you visualized your peaceful place. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more quick calming practices like this one.